Hello everyone! We'll be painting pine trees today, which is one of my favorite subjects. And when I look at a picture of a pine tree and visualize that it shakes off all its leaves, I see these line patterns in its branches, and I'll be using the same to create a pine tree from scratch. So I'll be using each of these lines alternately, leaving distance in between them so that another type of line can fit in and they're evenly distributed. Another crucial thing is that you have to increase the length of your lines as you go down for your tree to look tapered. You can also multiply the branches if you want. I erased some parts of the branch so that I can show the leaves that are in front. Now once you're done, start off with a light wash of yellow. I smeared some darker value by mistake, so it should be as light can be, and pick some from the place where you have put the darker value and spread it on the other leaves. Picking the paint from the places where I have applied them too much, and so it's done. Now I have picked up some green and I'm dropping it on my yellow, leaving only dots of yellow to peek through. So these leaves of the pine tree are actually needle shaped, and you do not have to draw them perfectly. I find pine trees so fascinating and so beautiful. Pine trees are the trees that live very long. Some are about 100 or 1,000 years old. In fact, the oldest pine tree is said to be 5,000 years old. So you can see that all my leaflets are looking like they're more evenly spread. And now you can add on more leaves if you want, if your tree still looks scanty. Now I'll be taking a mix of brown color and my green to give my tree the darker value and mark the places where there is shadow. So shadows or the darkness is very close to the main trunk, and also it is beneath the leaves where the light cannot reach. So under the leaves there is gloom, and it almost looks perfect. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'm so glad that you liked my watercolor mountains video and blessed it with so much love. Happy painting. I hope you have a colorful day and life. Thank you.